What if your import-export business could answer customer questions on WhatsApp automatically even when you are not available? Sound interesting? Right. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, as I have created an AI-powered WhatsApp assistant for import-export businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. This AI assistant can answer buyers' questions, distributor inquiries, product-related queries, and much more, all automatically on WhatsApp. Let me show you how it works. So here my WhatsApp is already connected with my AI assistant. Now let's say I am a buyer and I send message, I am looking to import premium basmati rice into Dubai. Can you tell me your MOQ and export capabilities? Within second, the assistant replies with the required information. Now let's ask another question. As I am interested in becoming a distributor in South Africa, what information do you need from me? Again, the assistant instantly responds and guides me through the distributor requirements. Let's try one more. As which product are currently most popular with international buyers? Again, it answers and shares the relevant information. And lastly, I ask, I am new to importing. Which products would you recommend for a first shipment? Then it replies to me like this. As you can see, the AI assistant understands every question and responds accordingly. And the best part, nobody from the company is manually replying to these messages. The AI assistant is handling everything automatically on WhatsApp. Now imagine having this AI assistant for your own business that works 24/7 without getting tired. So yes, that's exactly what we are going to build in today's tutorial. But before we begin, let me quickly introduce the tool behind this powerful AI assistant called Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow allows you to create an AI-powered WhatsApp assistant without writing a single line of code. You can train the AI assistant with your business information, products, services, FAQs, and will automatically answer customer questions on WhatsApp. And if you also want to automate your business on WhatsApp, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this AI assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and run the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and select the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features. You just have to come towards this AI assistant feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I entered as import export business AI assistant. After that, I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button, and see, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting my instructions type as AI agent. As soon as I can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set the temperature as 0.5. You can increase and decrease it from here if you want to. After that, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. Next, the model I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple types of models. You can select according to your choice. And in the next, it is asking you for the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI platform and click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here and provide the permission as well. After that, click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can get your API token. So copy this token from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button. See, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter in each of these boxes. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like, for example, you have entered any keyword in this field and the user will set exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human input is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users if something goes wrong. You can increase the retry attempts till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. I have entered this fallback message. You can customize it based on your company or the organization. Moving forward to the next one, that is knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing a setup of your AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As in this tutorial, we are going to create an AI assistant specially for import export business owners. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. Here I have added all the information about my business, such as the products, categories, inquiry flow, buyer, quotation request, distributor inquiry, shipping information, and some FAQs too. You also have to make sure that this file includes all of your business information, as it works like a brain for your AI assistant to create. So create this file carefully. You can create a knowledge base file by using Google Docs or any other application, by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and just upload a file from your gallery. See, here I have uploaded. After that, I'm clicking on this upload files button, selecting the same file from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file. Moving forward are the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering a heading as trade support AI assistant. I have entered this as an example, and you can see as soon as I entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, I am replacing the subheading with this message as we are online to happy with import, export, logistic and paid inquiries. Also, I am removing the initial message too. Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. The footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added one footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can replace it if you want to. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, you just have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active, and click on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And another button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites too. So not only here, you can access this AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. After doing this, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I am going to set this AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you just have to scroll down and make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here on whom you want to set your AI assistant and select the AI assistant from this drop down too. After that, click on the save button. So this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to all of your contacts. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to go towards this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. So this is the easiest way of creating a WhatsApp AI assistant. And that's it. The creation and the setup of our import export WhatsApp AI assistant is fully completed. As you saw, the AI assistant was able to answer buyer inquiries, distributor questions, product related queries, and even help new importers all directly on WhatsApp. This means your business can provide instant responses to potential customers anytime they reach out, whether it's during business hours or not. No manual replying. The AI assistant handles the conversations automatically and provide information based on the knowledge you have trained it on. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and hit the notification bells so you never miss our latest automation and AI tutorials. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.